Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports. Today we're taking a look at the IPD Plenum on the 992 Carrera. Let's get to it. Today we're taking a look at the IPD Plenum for the 992 Carrera. Now this is also available for the 992 Turbo. It's a slightly different version, but this will fit all Carreras, the base, S, and GTS. And IPD has been in the game a long time making plenums. It's a patented technology that they've used really since the 996. And they take the factory T that Porsche designed to distribute air into the intake runners and the intake manifold and replace it with a Y shape. So this Y shape allows air to move more efficiently, spread more effectively, and speed up some of that air velocity, which should translate to some more power. Now we're going to put it on the dyno and see that, but overall a nice quality piece. It's a nice aluminum casting with some machined pieces to it. Has everything you need out of the box, the clamps as well, made here in the United States. So let's get it on the car, install it, put it on the dyno and see how it does. Okay, so we just got done with the dyno runs, and while the top number might not seem that significant, getting 6.4 wheel horsepower, but 10.8 foot-pounds of torque, so almost 11 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels. Really the story is the area under the curve, and you can see in this mid-range, it picks up a significant amount between about 4,000 and about 5,500 RPM. So the nice thing is you're seeing about a 30 wheel horsepower gain, a little over 30 wheel horsepower, 30.5 there, and 26.3 foot-pounds of torque. So you're going to feel that in the car, and that's right in the mid-range. So this might be a really nice modification for folks that are just looking for something to add a little power, more in the usable range where you're going to be, you know, driving around town. This definitely is going to give you a bigger difference in that area. Overall, though, still pretty solid gains for just a bolt-on part. If you're interested in purchasing the IPD Plenum from flat6.com, we have a link below in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.